open one duplicate tab or go to the release product tab. Any tab is the release product, or open one duplicate tab. Okay, I will tell you that how it is happening now. Go to the open your item. Go to the release product and open your item. So you have now received how many quantity? 15 quantity, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So open your item.
Yeah, open.
Open. Okay. Go to the manage inventory tab in the header. You can see one manage inventory is there.
Yes.
Select the manage inventory. Okay. 1 second. You can see now on-hand inventory is showing a disable for this product. Got it? View on-hand inventory.
Yeah.
Because you have not selected the stock product.
Stock product. Yeah.
That's why there is you cannot see the on-hand list. You have received 15 quantity, but it will not display.
Okay, because
So
I didn't make as a stocked product.
yes. So whenever you are using item, you should use the item model group where stock product set yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to the item model group. Okay. Here, what we did mistake, we have to select the stock product yes, because you have received 15 quantity physical items, visual items. So that product should be displayed in our stock, right?
Okay.
Got it? Na? Suppose you will select the include physical value set yes, then the product receipt also will be impact in our finance level, but you have not selected the include physical value.
Okay.
Got it? And also we have done mistake that ledger integration. You can see the both the checkbox set no only. Post financial inventory.
Post physical inventory and post financial inventory.
Financial inventory. That means nothing will happen. It will not do any transaction. Nothing will happen. It is just disconnected the finance level also.
Okay. So there is no pricing for anything.
Yes, nothing will happen. So so what you will do, you will create one means item. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. 1 second. So you got that how it is happening. You got that, right?
Yeah. I will try and I will let you know if anything.
So I'm sharing my screen. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will show you from flow from starting to end. Go to the release product.
Okay.
Okay. See very carefully. Create new product. I'm using item means the item should be in our on hand list. So I'm suppose I'm giving G product 106 randomly. I'm giving. Okay. So I'm using item model group should be FIPO. So I have to see the configuration for the item model group. Right click and view details. Stock product, that means it will display in my on hand list. Include physical value means product receipt also calculated in this inventory calculation. Post
So
physical
here I
inventory.
did a mistake, right?
Yes, you have
Expense
did a
products
mistake
I
that.
did. Yes.
Yes, you have not mentioned the stock product. You have not
Yes.
mentioned this checkbox. Okay.
Because I didn't see any details inside. What is
Yes,
there? Yes.
yes. So when you are using, you should go to this item model group and check. Okay.
Sure.
So now this is my configuration. I should close the form. Now select the item group. I have to click the item group, write details, view details. My item group having sufficient because I'm creating purchase order. So everything has their independent main account. So whenever I am doing any transaction, this main account will be impacted. Okay. So this main account, main account will be impacted. So I'm closing the form. Storage dimension, suppose I'm selecting site warehouse only. Tracking dimension, I'm using none. Buyer group not required. Purchase price, okay, I'm clicking okay. I'm not giving any price now.
I have given here only that price and that's why it's reflecting there.
Yeah. So go to the manage cost. I'm giving the price for the item. clicking new version 10 site 2 price suppose 150 for one item. Save the form, activate the pending price, come down. Okay, save the form, valid. Okay, so now the product has been released. So I'm going to the purchase order, go to the procurement sourcing. Where is that? Yeah,
Stop side.
yeah, all purchase order. So click new, select the second vendor. So warehouse is 24. Nice, click it OK. My item is G
Product
10 something 6. You should give here, okay, in the item number. Okay, so here unit price is not coming because there we are not giving the unit price. There we are giving the default price 150 for cost roll up. So save. Now you can save it. So whenever suppose you want to give the storage diamond site warehouse location, so then you should select the product and give the location also here. Okay, so when you purchasing the purchasing the item, that will be stored in the particular location, but I have used only warehouse and site.
Yes.
So now I'm going to the purchase and make confirmation. Just confirm the item. Then you can see now open order is showing. When I'm receiving the item, that will be changed to, I'm giving something random. Okay, I'm giving this purchaser number as a product receipt. Click it OK. Now you can see the status would be changed to received suddenly. Okay, and product receipt, let's see anything, or it will take some time actually. Not yet. Okay, okay, so let it be. We have to complete the invoicing now. Once you received, we have to create the invoice. Go to the invoice tab, invoice. Okay, so I'm giving some invoice number IB001. Invoice date is today's date. Save the form. Now not performed, so I'm clicking on update match status. Once performed, this is pass. Now I'm going to post this invoice. Once it's posted, the receive status will be changed to invoice. Now you can see the receive status is showing invoice. So I'm just opening one duplicate tab. So now what happened? You purchase one item from Myntra, you receive the item. Okay, when you purchase the item, you go to the Myntra site or any website, you put an order, right?
Yeah.
Then it will be confirmed. When you are purchasing, it will be confirmed. You confirm the purchase order. Then when you receive, it will be received. Your item has been received, physically received. So you create one for product receipt. And when it received, you can see the invoice. Means the person who is coming, he will provide you one invoice copy. That means it is invoice. Now is pending from our side is what? You have to pay the amount to the vendor. Means I have to pay this particular vendor. So I should open this next step. I have to go. See, account payable is there. Okay, select this account payable. Go to the payment, vendor payment journal, right? So I should select any journal is created or not. Not yet created. It will take some time. So what I did, I'm going to now pay the amount. So I'm going to account payable, payment, vendor payment journal, right?
Okay.
So click it new. Here you have to select vend pay, which is already configured. If you want to see the journal name, you should go to the view details. The journal type is vendor disbursement, means you have to pay the item, pay the quantity, the amount for creating a journal. So when you select this one, created the vend pay and go to the lines. Okay. Here you have to select the account, means the vendor account, which account I have created a purchaser for 1002. So you select the vendor account, right? Click the vendor account, nothing is coming. You have to save the form. When you save this form, vendor details coming. Now I have to settle the transaction. Click the settle transaction. When you click the settle transaction, you can see what is my invoice number, IV001. You have to filter the invoice number, or you can see here IV001, right?
Yeah.
So I have to settle, means select the mark. I have to settle this item, the quantity. Okay, amount is 150 rupees, and what are things? Okay, so select this one and click it OK. Okay, now you can see 150 rupees and minus why minus 3, because some conversion means currency conversion has done, minus 3 rupees deducted. Okay, so now everything is coming. So now what happened, this is some finance issue, finance things. Just give one ledger, means so which I'll tell you that this one, suppose that petty case. First I have to save. There is some fundamentals is there, finance level, you will be confusing, don't confuse. You should give select the ledger and give some offset account. Okay, because generally what happened, offset account means we are giving this amount for the particular account. Okay, when you are paying the amount, so you are giving not to the vendor, you have just debit, you are just putting this amount one account, right? So this account I have given, then save it, then you should validate it. Then post it. Okay, now you can see our flow has been completed. Now it has been posted. So I'm going to product receipts again. Let's see the journal, the transactions created or not. You can see now transaction created, right?
Yeah.
So the item group, okay, remember correctly, the item group, you asked me that why the main account is there. Suppose I'm going to the item group for the particular item. 1 second. Item group. Okay, this is my item group. So what happened, purchaser, okay, you can see this is my ledger account. Okay, 200140, 200140. You can see this account, it is impacted when we are creating the product receipt, right? Whatever the main account you have given, that will be done the transactions, same ledger account, it will be impacted.
So the transaction is posting to that account.
Right. Yeah, correctly. Now you understood that transaction is posting to this current this account, right? This is called item group. So, and in this where is the, yeah, okay, and in this vendor payment, I have given one offset account. That means the transaction will be posting to this particular offset account. Okay. So this is all about the flow. You should practice a lot, and whenever you are using, you should go through the item model group and item group. Okay. And in item model group, every checkbox you put it yes and check that know what is happening. You should select the invoice journal and product receipt journal. Then you will get that idea. Okay, now see the voucher. Okay, now is vendor invoice, vendor, because it has been invoiced now. So vendor invoice completed. Okay, and you can see these accounts are coming from where. You should go to the item group and select which account is impacted. Okay. You should practice a lot. Next class we will start procurement sourcing. Okay. Product now completed. I will go to the procurement sourcing, and this is a big module. We have to create purchase requisition, then RFQ, request for quotation, then purchase order. Okay. And then purchase agreement. Means actually I will tell you that just giving one small P2P life cycle, purchase to pay life cycle. Okay. Now we have done what? Only create the purchase order and do the vendor payment, right?
Yeah.
In purchase to pay life cycle, what happened? We will create purchase requisition. Okay. Purchase requisition means what? I'm just giving one simple example. Purchase requisition means what? Suppose you are in company, your customer saying that Vinod, I need 100 computers. Okay. So you found that your computers are not available. So what you will do? You should create one purchase requisition. Means you are requesting to internal team, procure team. There is a procure team is there. Okay.
Yes.
Procure team is there. You create one purchase requisition, inform to the procure team that I need 100 computers which is not available. Okay. You will create one purchase requisition. After purchase requisition, once purchase requisition created, automatically one purchase order created.
Yes.
For 100 computers. Okay. Once one purchase order created, we have to create the product receipt, then invoice it, then payment it. This is one P2P life cycle. But another thing is there, purchase requisition. And when you purchase, you have done the purchase requisition. You requested that I need 100 computers. But what happened? There are many more vendors are there for computers. Suppose you are buying Apple computer, Apple laptop. There are many more vendors are there. Vendor A, vendor B, vendor C. 10 vendors are there. So what you will do at the time? You will create one quotation. You will create one quotation that I need 100 laptop with cost. One laptop cost is suppose $10,000. Okay. So for create one quotation you have created, and you can send this quotation to all the vendors. This is called RFQ, request for quotation.
Okay. Here we are fixing a price.
Yes, you are fixing a price and send to your vendors. Then you will find out which vendor is correct for you. Then once RFQ completed, purchase order already means automatically created. Then same process in product receipt, invoice it, payment it. This is also one P2P life cycle. So this all about we'll see, because I think I have to complete at least purchase requisition and RFQ in one class, because it will take time, 2 hours time. Then what is purchase agreement? This is not anything. This is a contract. Suppose I am purchasing means computers from you, then I make a contract that one computer is $1,500. This is a contract. So we'll create a purchase agreement. Then procurement category. That's it. We'll see the next class. Okay. And you should practice more. Okay. Any doubt, you should ping me.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Vinod. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you. Happy Sunday.